What up, guys? I just wanted to give y'all a sneak peek of what you could win if you joined the Christmas giveaway December 12th, this Saturday, 7:30 Central Time. This is a roofing hatchet that was severely pitted. I did some evapor rust, then I sanded it down, then I painted the whole thing a matte black, and then I sanded it down sanded down the high spot so all the paint stayed in the pitting. I had to do some reprofiling on the edge, but it turned out great, super sharp. Near mirror polish on the hammer side. The handle is just a store-bought hickory handle, and then I stripped down the store finish, and I took a torch, propane torch, I heated it up, and I burnt it till you get this color, and then I took a clear lacquer and put over it, so it gave it a nice finish and not a plain finish. So guys, you can win this December 12th, this Saturday. Just show up to my stream. Unfortunately, guys, I think I'm going to have to keep it to the US only because shipping right now is going to be a little hard. But guys, if you're in the US and you want to win this, live stream this Saturday, 7:30 p.m. Central Time. It'll be me. It'll be Good of the Land. It'll be Stephen Cox. It'll be the Maintenance Man. It'll be Princess Jamie. And some guests I'm sure will hop in from time to time. So I hope to see y'all there Saturday for a chance to win this beautifully restored hatchet that I did. Thanks, guys. Hope to see you there.